Hey, this is Jim, your favorite Southwest Florida realtor down here in this beautiful development called The Place at Corkscrew in beautiful Estero. Absolutely gorgeous day. The sun just beaming down, absolutely nice and warm. Got a house behind me that I want to tell you about. It's new construction. It's going to be done here in a couple weeks. It's actually the Lennar Marsala model, 2,200 square feet, 3 bedroom plus a den, 3 full baths. Got an ensuite, like 2 masters. Really great house. Let's go in and we'll take a look at it. I'll show you the surroundings also. It's absolutely gorgeous. All right. Here's a view of the front of it, the elevation, 2 car garage. Really nice house. Here we are standing in the foyer. We got a really nice house. We got tile on diagonal, but we'll do a walkthrough. We'll show you all about it. Over here to the left, we have a bedroom and a full bath. Full bathroom, tub shower combination. Here we are back in the foyer. We're going to walk through it. Over here to the left, you have a den that could actually be set up as a bedroom, but it doesn't have a closet, so we can't classify it as one. But it's got dual doors. You can make it an office, put a pull-out couch in there if you had family. Over here to the right, we have another bedroom. This is kind of an ensuite, basically like another master in all reality, because it has its own private bathroom with a walk-in shower. We are walking back into it here. We got a utility room. There's a washer and dryer. Got a utility sink. Got some storage there, right there to hang the clothes. We got the garage right off of it here. Nice oversized 2 car garage. Got shutters, so we have hurricane protection. Now here we are walking into the living area. We got a nice big kitchen, open kitchen into the living area. Basically the dining, living room. Really nice. Nice big kitchen, big bar, granite counters, wood cabinets. We got crown molding throughout, LED lighting, stainless steel appliances. Really nice. Let's go and check out the master. Here's the master bedroom, nice size room. Got dual walk-in closets, his and hers. Here's the master bathroom. Got a soaking tub for Calgon Take Me Away. Bubble bath. Got a nice big walk-in shower. Dual sinks. Here we are walking out of the master. Got a nice big lanai, screen lanai. Nice preserved view right there, just a quiet view. If you'd like more information, give me a call, shoot me a text, 239-233-4060. Jim with the Jim New Realty Group, powered by eXp Realty. This absolute gorgeous house. It could be yours today. Give me a call. Talk soon. Thanks.